a forestry reserve. Be fa due process. Your letter at the command the district manager.
Forestry Commission.
Forestry Commission Mampong. Your letter at the command a regional manager. And the letter command CEO Forestry Commission and your copy board chairman. Mean your letters in Kwase and 9. Board chairman, CEO, regional manager, and then district manager or municipal manager.
And they gave approval.
Minya, yadi ekomaye no. I think say it close to 2 months. Na ye koso akọ municipal manager no. But no say they let go also anya follow up. Eti many a board chairman edi nkomo ana me CEO edi nkomo ana say land kese bebe say ana yepe so ye only 1 acre ebetima so dumadia yepe no ana mu busa hefa ana ye kire no say a hono dia na o na say tik na na obetom twa o say ba bia edui no first na tik na na obet na tik na enimu aye ewura ana yako ekodwi so ana Sunday report and the regional manager and CEO say ya nkrochi aya the reserve no ama some kwa catch no say ya started the abo near the abab to see one frame me no that day how na 9 months nipa ba ko no maku no obo asa.
Okay.
They were at Burma camp. It no one honorable Kofi Amabwa.
Okay.
Or Mr. Brother Pa. To one you know, and also was me reported with your free honor, and in American a different. And to make me hold on. Now one siki a permission from Amabwa, a lands minister. And sana yetimi aye. Because letter the bar say close to 2 months in that, and this one manager no. So anya na djuma yi na also on so pushy adema the communities. You see how the whole thing you will letter no mean say you wie na say ko biba near the letter that your data a boy and they said papa no sata wo ha once a year djuma ha no also mampon kanko eda wakoma so baby a free bia wo mampon petamu awo ye adjuma also mampon and can't eda wakoma so but say wo minim dia menua abaya din se betimi no waye dum adia esiye no antwe amama bru no eso sorry so we have to na minni ho so me friend director and engineer no mpanifo no ko share the two communities ama hemfo no enyina enti recently yet is a board chairman abai ama hemfo no both 19 nana ane ne hema ne mpanifo la hwidiem omi na abanti ya ko no fosote na president afrabo chairman ano koye enunti ano say adaso ano enti say there is a little problem ni na no say nintie ya land bia omode mare but hwidiem so say call sa
begging so
because now come no penny finfin.
Yeah.
So now what was that ankafo bi ni koko bi right on no. Amene nipa so kasa but unfortunately I think say nipa no to asase no auto free nananom nche etuaka. The ones I say nananom afa ncha no there. Also yeah there's one be releasing about any bona fide property. So now land issue and the problem. And amanda that project you know we are trying to resolve it by the course of this week. Yet me resolve what project no contractor everything no approval BBI and no approval no RCC region.
Okay.
BBI adana
so the problem I want that you know no and your contractor issue.
That be
contractor a land no.
Land.
Now from forestry to omomudi assassin man and yasambe and that land issue no.
Yes.
So district manager out that forestry commission no she say the sabai juma for her na no na ye penny edoma no ya no be no de ma was a process in the opening at another assembly. No, an opinion. What I could do a say.
May such no kata or penino actually very rudely to me say we should evacuate from the land. Me na letter no sa obekaya na sa eko na sa hwidem fo ne mampofo ehu a omobu befu. Me wanna connecting that community letter be our letterhead. I know the breme. But we shall cross there. You see, we need to sanitize the system.
Okay.
Sir, Jumadiano say a halt to Nasa was saying Yahu actual letter way at the MCA. Well, just a matter of time.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a holiday. A month for washing any 19 hono. You are showing them say, Maswa Hobiano. But the Yamaya who say, Ben Awachi, as head of the municipal, you resolve it, Najuano Yashasi.
Okay. Mena, Madison, they say, okay. 19 Hidim, or one Cassantrasi. You are over your land.
Okay.
Right. But I think you're closer to one community.
One community. Ba kompesa obetwe masa
ba kompesa obetwe omuntu omuwase
okay
naka project no enkoso ati say kuro no mieni na ebom etinaka enkoso. That is my humble plea
okay
to them.
Okay.
Now forestry the other day they should be rest assured omunya mami.
Okay.
We resolve this.
Okay. 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 Okay, so yane LC na edin komono Wama I join your Facebook no your chairman nyina definitely minim say the ala doma our Facebook join nyina no your chairman nyina yes many a lot of messages coming from Facebook come you say papa biti you say your Facebook ni you penny bi I from anyway me nyina no e can be so our heart mu no say
yes, sir. May conclude. Instead of the two, you inquire about Mampong Mce Assembly. Yeah, 4.
More 4. 4 no. Baako and na one kasa utwa ahomam. That is the 19 hwidemu die no. And na utwa ahomam ano manso ababata asase no ntimo hodo on. Ba miensa na ma ye project na ya ye sisi ho a ye jade esi ho no ana wa renovate.
Anya renovation. Yeah, Babe complete.
Yeah, okay, yeah, complete.
It's not renovation.
Sorry, you must say, I found my new day, na Misobayano, na General Hokra. Okay, until you say you're completing. I must say, use okay, until me and son project that I know complete. And about could one way travel, but I know no man to
be completed.
Yet to complete it, okay. Okay.
But what you say?
All right.
I found my no Sekrua. To soldier and
okay. All right. Into you say yeah.
Well, year 2025 a year budget.
2025 budget. Okay.
Now 2026 the year a year Dome Osekrum.
Okay.
And approve that budget. So it is yet you be implemented.
Okay.
And you be say nurses quarters. So I come on health.
On health.
Our Mampong.
In the 2026, and the year say,
I don't know from somewhere March, April going.
March,
April started the implementation.
Okay.
Also, project we na ya no. Also, to me ma eko edimu kakra.
Okay.
As I was started the process for the 2026.
Okay.
Projects.
Okay. Community biano ye di hu komo no manfo amo ha hutie ye no. One you say Biahman, you testify, say, I'm per se, said the MCE can assign it because you ever say any would come. It is said the Edruna or Chirimuno, when I'm obeying what does ye, so I didn't say it here, and a could say. Yes, indeed, and no. Now, sir, hearts and I a year, Yamma and woman swim sway.
Many of it as a baby. I don't say, or might be a bit tumpo, and I said this would be a bit tumpo, a gina. Ne mebuna omu awumasua eda omakomaso ya bencha de is education director utia menua obeta so debia was amebra medda wase na wabwa se waba assembly ho na se akobi atin se obedi ho adanse o se nkonya yɛnya nkonya bebree ɛsɛ so wokɔ ada district assembly sabisa sɛ ɔmanya bisa na adwuma no sene sa wo so wobɛyɛ no wayɛ ne yɛ a wo so na sa wote wakonya so at asɛm sɛ ya wontimi nya nneɛma mfama want to ɔwɔ sɛ wotimi wɔ ɛyɛ nkran na wo lobby from ministry we eco ministry department agency we na wura sabaya wobɛtimi lobby nneɛma ɛde aba ana adwuma we ɛyɛ politics uni godfathers are more stronger menua wontimi nya nneɛma bebree ɛmfama na mentimi so nka we enyi Nana Hima Infrim.
Okay.
Will play a very key role. So Abuame pa, baby, or Nasami Kona Ediams and Nana Wadaroma. Yes, Mr. Wa Kujami. So one time, you know, Nana Hima Infrim ministry, which we said, one bread and I may panachos and Nana Mr. Facham, Nina Ikrunia de Ye moi. So Niema education side yade aba ebi ye si 3 unit kg block ewo sataso menya se sataso no se kirawo se aha a 2 unit kg block ewo sataso with office facility with a modern kg ni aya no my enclose no maybe nan kola ni wo inside se ba ya omuntimi MP modern one with modern kg tables there dai eno na ya pekoya ewo assembly ho no
okay
mina sata so ne kama kuma nsem tama na me ye parliamentary candidate no na me kwa akoye campaign nan kola na pon afri eye editwan anam nan kwan no kaka ebo akola bi ana me gina na mbuza se omse nanti distance from Sataso and then in class so no was about between ako edudwan and then touch me heart to say nyame adom no say metimi nya baby sia mebo mo ampa and ya buyer yetimi afofele that promise and Sataso eba be yan kg asase no so nyame adom na say bia omukọ animu kakra na say bia P1 to be class 1 to class 3 e dia ma omo e ko animu kakra no na say apa prime minister de adamom sa no omo de ko sabe o metimanya omo judges and ho ya cut so
okay
for that project again oba aye tia amadia mampo ha me ya hwe mampo kromo na school akoko dam ona ba je malek no nyina akoko hodom aye o hwe deputy nagmo boss me ni papa ba wo say no nyina akoko hodom na ene hwe school no okwe the state of Ahmadiyya school na alo nti na o ma start at somewhere 2019 and I do foundation o mo kase konkatana baby adana eda nti me buy me ko inspect project no na me say no I was a yetimi ayede ayetimi a complete project no aye story building nti ya award contractor and also me nua mo betimi akọ na no ya call hodom na contractor no every place na kama o chance a adwuma koso giti ti no so nyame adom was by 3 months time no nyame adom obe complete super among all the you know I know not super with other offices and
okay
oba ayeda ho
ehwa no ahomedi ehwa no the next school meaning say oko inspection oko that is apostolic the last time I call inspection Jesus no na teacher for no come with the cry na yaro because teachers no class a teacher for no o hwe Jesus in state mampokro mfimfin na o hwe Jesus we ka just nipa come school I had me name say bia so inspection we do there
apostolic
yes
ya nya complain
yeah
na nyame adoma enne ye be sa to ya proboso apostolic ye ho enne nti ye be hu se na be se be share media budget mu na ye dey was assembly hye no one capture bibia won timi free me ba be nti bibia na ye planning stage and sana timi o da hye budget mu na afide ekonanim nti ye free be Amadia na ye ba down na je aye school no I mean a hotel you see aye 3 unit classroom block with aye computer laboratory at the account plus staff common room and also so and not the project in akwa na run because I think say almost yes we aka nemoso until the park nature na ko bi mokoto mani ehwa oya kama oya kama ti heme dese menu akobi ye kokate so do no one ye enekoye ti wode beto to Facebook ama menu a me bae no so na GHS no omato foundation ana akawuram ada ye ko akwa menu a wo pa na wo no ono so enkwala so esu ade wo ti ne wura na fu nti wana ye iso ate se omonno ye baba be headmaster sa adona de bedo na so da bia moba mose ya no moba be so monya na sa menua nipa no iso ate samon no na de say me so me de say ndi jimidi ti ada e be kate so no so wono de ya kate so no bet until say e baba site no on the na so me na kanti na no me ona master first eh unua me be say me cancel say adwuma no kwa e koso no menua me be say wo ko afọ ni ede akwahwe so far so good akaka krabi na so omasi awi na akane moso ne ada ayesisi a ho omatini aye beyond that no so ye wo baako anso so ewo Kofi Abubakar Islamic no the late Oshama of blessed memory and the shase somewhere 2010 ebe pemone senior product na that's all obi anya the buy no a 6 unit classroom block plus 2 staff common rooms no back a computer lab na back a staff common room and a headmaster's office and I know they all see the modern young kasa and also a hosa project as a contractor also a woman not omoye Kofi Asanya so kind of pretty apps say about 80% of the work is done. Aka kakrebi then so we no hand over at the amount municipality.
How much I say 2010? No
2010.
Mujatu baby.
No Mujatu.
Okay.
How much I say 2010? No Mujatu.
The 16 years I feel na over complete.
I feel na ever completing.
Okay.
Eti once a Mampong we have a long way to go. Ana oba Kofi Otu Asekai primary school. Also so Oma award contract no 2019 for renovation all na me call primary school na me assemblyman na me West committee menua ene kwa mo shase ansa na ye to about 2019 mama wi ni assemblyman no menua o mo shase kakra bi ana mo jato nti afei ana ya award a o mo guso ana so work cost gidi and also omoje renovation no the 6 in a classroom block plus a the 2 kg blog no and also renovation na ekoso beyond that Kofi SDGHS I know the almost share fresh and also 2019 and almost share and also we see Kakrebe edu foundation level and over since 2019 and also so yeah by SD for no and sorry East and GHS no baby waba Kofi a free hotel opposite Hon.Yakubu Asante no kitu bi and Hona on class baby polyclinic no tell so ya award at the ama again Kofi Damascus omuni GHS a die omkona Sunday no it only a fresh project your first and the first project marketed the soul omoye and so ma start foundation now
okay
and also so omo the beside that no so Kofi as a Methodist eye KG blog on ebuye nyame ne ya adom se na nkwala no apo na ntisa na ka de oyinu ene na beba ti and also so o master tia also I think adu no level and also so omoye and the emergency ayi kra because a bugu mo no and a headmaster no former MPP organizer Usubadu on a headmaster on an SME imperial phone and mobile and there was a yitimi akanya masi ani ntem na omuntimi enkoye bibi ewo hono ntimenya aside that no ye wo aye enkonya ya procure aye dem schools I don't know schools are almost said in Kunyana, Yamamomu be Yanya cage in Kunya office chairs, nada very soon. You be distributed, you be distributor, Yabama, modern cameras and also album. The education sector there. So far, so good. Again, Obasina High schools and also. Yeah. Me no madini will be at me buy a 5 months one year, a bit more buy a 1 year. But obisa say when you get fan project backokrako the man's when you okay oba St. Joseph ya 2 project and head about we sina has masses Bangalore eshe eno nya approval aye babisi and our home economics almost so or building at say and so baba in a story building 2-story building at the Amom, St. Joseph. Oba, St. Monica's Assembly Hall, Omunibi, at the Omo approval, Yenya approval, Sir Omoba Baye, the consultant, no, when I know a frac crab buyer, no, only 150 capacity was when it's St. Monica, and close to 5,000. Yeah. The capacity of my improvement was 1,500 rather 1,500, yeah. And the yes no what into a more expanded my and through the help of our grandmother and why also more I paid I didn't know that 4,000 and the and honorable Shamima presidential spokesperson also about Monica's on the program. Ama ya de two na so also obeboa ama eno no etimabam again so also obeboa ama ya bus ama last week I was in Accra to do the follow up this morning maybe 11 o'clock me Mrs. no so meeting and also so ya be the oba apa SHS so also ya a man the GMPC ABC dormitory amamo the member na choba bi omo da minyo arho tiano so yenya approval ye ba be boys dormitory story building at the amamo or apa oba Kofi as SHS and also so yenya approval omo ba be 2-story classroom block at the amamo ana omo I think kitchen and dining hall so omo ba be at the amamo ama the ampo there is ongoing a girl fund project I don't know air cost get into so far so good at all the second cycle institutions so I work municipal hanum will be so and yana chafa
sa schools are ahodo abeto yen wa ka say mo say bi mu a wa na otwa ma ye de wo hyase but the oba ya na ya yedu baby ya ja ya fe na obeto aso sa project ni nyina no na ahu sika sam no ya wie da bia sika ne da ho na oba wo de to aso because Ghana mama na na du baby a sa de retumi si ya project ya nwe koba na re certificate to akwaji sika no o hwe na hu no na ye ka foforo
me no me da se bebre am say ya fa no one by one tia madia na ya ndeneka
okay
na ya ndeneka ati ono de say na adwuma na efe ati me nyama nyosem wo bia osafata bia no wo ya Ghana ni enti yamana kwanya ama wotimi aye ne dwuma nti yesade ema no se ono onto aso oba aye Kofiase Abubakar Islamic contractor no was nowhere to be found. The contract na what we no so no ofra enko ye trace no where about to be a documents near neneka
okay ono so neneka
ono so dari neneka
okay
ana oba otu asekai primary school na ono no de ne ye neneka
okay
but na amount no en also nti wo hwe sa time no a ebepem na ka wo se ka wo bia wo pemanso a na ka beka se je se bia price adjustment ni adade but enam se yana no ye hwehwe se ono ana is ade be ma no
okay
nti ama na ye kakrebi na kan no eno ana ye de ma no ana ya sa wodo ade ama no se complete o hwe SDA so JHS and also so na atense ne ye ne ka na okay ne ye de ne ka waman tua 1 city SDJHS na de menua nipa wa ye ababepem foundation level and kwa no na akaka bi na do lentil one moment tua na ka 1 city te no ye na ba ya ebitua eno ana ya woda ma the same person na or ba be complete amaye oba aye RC bosofo ono ne neneka until you have a different contractor. Down, I know a new project. And I think Sata so there and only a new project. This so far, sanity.
Okay, project I hold driver to any day. Back one day now you didn't cano. One in Nakasa at the amount what was. Omo makanina na ndio bi aka no omo so ndey aka intana na dey say dey mo bi foforo kra no a judgment that be afraid to my time. Okay, all right, yani honorable MC na AD enkomo no ya de a one o man for ka say so ntina me ka say